Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been super long since I've posted, but I'm back as I promised. In today's video, we are doing another inequalities video. This is a part 2 to the video that I made before we left on break. I really hope you guys enjoy, and without further ado, let's head on straight into this video. And make sure you stick around till the end because I have a really special announcement. So first things first, I'm just going to go over what we did last time in the part 2. So we learned how to graph something on a number line like this. And before we get started, I'm actually going to do a couple examples of just what we did last time. But make sure for a more in-depth explanation to go watch my part 1 video. And I'll link it in the cards. So if we were to try and graph something like x is less than 7, so that's the first one here. So we would draw our number line just like this, and we would put our points, and we would have a hollow circle on 7, and then we'll fill in the line from behind it. But another way is you can also draw on top, and I actually prefer to do this way just so that it's clearer, but you can do however you like. And let's do another example. X plus 6 is equal to 12, or not equal to, is greater than 12. So we replace it with an equal sign, and then we put back the original sign. And we would graph that just like how we graphed the previous one. And again, you can put it on the line or on top of it. I prefer on top of it, as I said. But what really is the difference between x, like the two equations that I put in the beginning? Like these two. What is the main difference? Well, the main visible difference that we see is the line underneath the inequality sign. But this actually means something. It's not just there for design. And it means that in this scenario, it means that x is greater than or equal to 7. So what does this mean? And how would we express it on the number line? So usually we would do a hollow circle. And remember, I specified this a lot in the first part, that you would use a hollow circle. But because it's or equal to, we are gonna have a filled in circle. So that's why it's really important to look at the sign and make sure that you're drawing the correct hole for that specific sign. So with this explanation, let's do a problem. So we have x is less than or equal to 5. So I translated it in words, and if we were to graph this, well, we will have a filled in circle on 5, and then it will be going back because it's less than or equal to. And so there's not much of a difference, but if you draw a hollow circle when there's supposed to be a filled in one, then it's 100% incorrect. So you have to look for, okay, what is this sign? Is there anything I'm missing? Just make sure that you're looking clearly at the sign. And in this case, because it's less than, we will be going to the back into the negatives. And let's do another problem, and this one requires us to change the inequality sign with a equal sign. But you'll do the same exact thing as the previous inequality video as I showed you all. But it's just that you're going to have a hollow circle or a filled in circle now when you have this specific sign. So there's not much of a difference. So if you understand the basics of inequalities, then you'll understand that in a certain scenario, oh, I need a hollow circle or I need a filled in circle. Now you all are going to do 3 practice problems all by yourselves. So the first one is x is greater than or equal to -3. The next one is x plus 4 is less than or equal to 13. And the last one we have is 4x is greater than or equal to 24. You'll have 1 minute to graph all of these on separate number lines. Did you do it? Let's check if you got the correct answers. So in the first problem, if we translate it, it's x is greater than or equal to -3. So this means our filled-in circle will be at -3, and then because it's greater than, we will be going forward. And next one is x plus 4 is equal to 13. Now, in this scenario, we would just cross the inequality sign out and replace it with an equal sign just so that we can solve the equation. Once we solve the equation, we can place back the original sign and then go ahead and graph that on our number line. Here we have x is less than or equal to 9. So we have a filled-in circle at 9, and then we go backwards because it's less than. The last one is 4x is greater than or equal to 24, and we just replace it with an equal sign and solve this just like how we would normally solve an equation, and we get x is greater than or equal to 6. And graph this on a number line just like how we would graph all the other ones with a filled-in circle at 6. Congrats, you made it to the end of this video. Whether it's you needed help with this concept, you wanted some extra practice, or you just wanted to review, I hope you learned something or got some extra practice in. It'd mean the world to me if you subscribed and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a brand new video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. It just tells me if I need to change anything. And you can always comment on my discussion page with any suggestions you might have for my videos. And now, time for our special announcement. My special announcement is that I'm going to start posting student lifestyle and organization videos. You guys have supported me since day one, and I want to expand my YouTube channel so more people can find out about my YouTube channel and enjoy watching my videos, and I really love putting out content for you guys. And I want to expand my YouTube channel, and I am excited because I love watching these kind of videos and I really enjoy filming them. So I will be posting my first ever student lifestyle videos. My first student lifestyle / organization video, it's gonna be on Wednesday, and I'm really excited for you guys to see it. And if you guys enjoy it, please tell me so that I know to post more of those kinds of videos. And if you have any suggestions for math videos, for student lifestyle videos, then just go ahead and tell me on my discussion page. Well, thank you all so much for the support, and Happy New Year!